In this video, I am going to help you understand the meaning of the commonly used computer terms, or rather terminologies. Here we go. Number 1. Computer. The computer is an electronic device that is able to input, process data, store data and output information, or we can say, a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information, or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. Number 2. Hardware. Computer hardware is the physical parts or components of a computer. These are computer components that one can see, touch and feel. The term hardware refers to the physical components of the computer such as mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU, system case, RAM, just to mention a few. Number 3. Software. Computer software is a part of a computer system that consists of data. It is also a collection of instructions that enable the user to interact with the computer, its hardware, or perform tasks. Number 4. Data. Data is unprocessed information which is not meaningful. Number 5. Information. Information is processed data which has become meaningful and useful to the user. Number 6. Communication. This is the sending and receiving of information which can be in the form of words, symbols or signals through speaking, writing or any other method. Number 7. Technology. Technology is the use or manipulation of tools, including machines, modifications, arrangement or procedures that make work easy. Other important terminologies include Peripheral device. A peripheral device is a piece of equipment that can be connected to a computer for the purpose of data input, output or for both. Peripheral devices are used by human beings to communicate with the central processing unit of the computer. Examples of computer peripherals are keyboard, joystick, external CD, monitor, printer, modem, scanner, speakers, mouse, etc. Personal Digital Assistant, P.D.A. It is a handheld personal computer like a mobile handheld device that provides computing and information storage and retrieval capabilities for personal or business use. A bit is binary digits that are 0 or 1, the smallest unit of storage. A byte is the unit of storage capacity which is equivalent to 8 bits. KB means kilobytes, which is equivalent to 1000 bits. MB means megabytes. It is a measurement of storage capacity equivalent to 1 million bits. GB means gigabytes. It is a measurement of storage capacity equivalent to 1 billion bits. MHz means megahertz. This is a measurement of frequency equivalent to 1 million per second. GHz means gigahertz. It is a measurement of frequency equivalent to 1000 million per cycle.
Yeah.